Made a new friend here. So do you see?
Good morning. Today we are off to Tiananmen Square and Forbidden City. But first, my coffee. Today's my last full day here. I'm actually gonna really miss this place. It's been so different to anywhere else I've experienced. I don't know, there's just something about this place. It was above my expectations, to put it bluntly. China's so underrated. It feels so different when you're here. I was here in Tiananmen Street last night. Look how different it looks during the daytime. Secret agents.
Only wedding day.
So I'm standing in the world's largest square. It's crazy to think how big of a piece of history this is. Honestly, it's a bit surreal being here. I didn't think I'd ever be standing here. So do you see the building on this 100? It's right behind me. So if you wake up early enough, you can see the flag come up, or if you want to come at sunset, you can see the flag come down. So I made a new friend here. Locals love taking photos and videos. I'm not sure if it's because they're not used to seeing so many foreigners. They're making me walk down the wrong set of steps. I used to be an emperor. This place is absolutely massive. Guess what? I'm on the yin yang street. That side's yin, that side's yang. Let's go to the yang side. I know this sounds really strange, but this reminds me of the Grand Palace in Thailand. I know it's not quite the comparison, but I just kind of got that same feeling, especially when I was looking around. Now I'm trying to find the exit. So I'm leaving the Forbidden City now. I'm not sure where I'm headed on to next, but let's see. I'll let you know when I know. When you exit, you can end up at Wangfujing Street, so let's have a little walk around there even though it's daytime. Oh, I meant Wangfujing, donut moment. I remember this street, but I have to say it looked a lot nicer in the evening. It looked so much more vibrant. Nothing like a McDonald's in the middle of everything. I'm gonna miss these small diddly cars. There's a few shops that sell those traditional clothes and flags. So if you want good selfies or photos, feel free to go to one of those shops. It's cheaper to buy from there. Right, this says Michelin 2026. Let's give this a try. I've asked for the bestseller. I'm not sure what it is. Right, let's try the Michelin coned ice cream. He said this is the bestseller. It's yogurt flavored. It reminds me of Yogurt Land in Oman. Nice though, sweet, but not too sweet. So yeah, give it a shot. But For me, it's nice. Usually, I have my dessert after my main course, but I've done things the opposite way around. I've ordered myself a chicken curried rice. I was craving a curry and I was craving some rice, and my wish was granted. Let's give it a shot. Reminds me of a Thai yellow curry, but it's nice, but it's not too spicy either. So yeah, I'm gonna tuck in. Bye. That's dinner done, so time for a little walk now. Not sure if that's a rival to KFC or KFC's uncle or nephew or what. So now I'm at Wangfujing Street, completely different to how it was the other evening. Mind you, it's still just as busy though. I can't remember if I saw this when I came to Wangfujing in the evening, but there's a church here. I'm leaving Wangfujing Road for the Hopson One mall now, so let's go. I've just got off the metro. Apparently this is an open mall, so let's see what it's all about. It's quite a big mall. There's like 6 or 7 floors, and when you're on each floor, it's massive. There's so many different shops. You know it's a good sign when there's a Luckin coffee. I'm surprised they're not flying away. Whoa. Woo. Look at that. Alipay. Okay. Got a freebie while I'm in the queue. Oh, this is the glutinous rice cake. I got it. Let's try. Okay, let's try this first piece. Let's try the crust. Look at that. It's really nice bread. It's like a sourdough with cheese. Really nice. So soft as well. Definitely recommend. I wish we had one of these in Oman and the UK. Time to tuck in. Forgot I got this as well. It's a milk roll, a milk bun. Let's give this a try. This looks messy. So I'll eat it like this. Let's try. That's like sweet and savory at the same time. It's like got a soft bun around it, so soft. And there's like cream cheese in the middle. So nice. Can't remember if I had one of these in the Philippines, but it's really nice. Anyway, time for me to tuck in. I need a drink. See you in a bit. Bye. So it's my first time trying Char Panda. You know we gotta have a drink with all that. Let's give it a little mix. So this is meant to be an ice cream vanilla latte. Try it, test. It's nice, nice. It's like strong coffee mixed with vanilla. It's really, really nice. Vanilla ice cream. You can see the vanilla ice cream at the top to mix it in. Yeah, I'll enjoy that as well now, guys. Bye-bye. Time to keep walking and work that off. Right, guys, that's it from me tonight. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I hope you enjoyed that one. Just for the record, when you come out the train station, you're literally at the basement of the shopping center. Anyway, I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now. Oh yeah, and it's my last day here tomorrow. I'm really upset. Bye.